Plus, on this weekend, we are hosting an open house event in Furjan. You know what properties we are showcasing?
What, boss?
We are showcasing all the properties which is very next to the metro station. You can consider a walking distance from the metro. And most importantly, most of the properties are ready to move or they are getting delivered in next 6 months or a year.
That's great.
On top of it, we are also providing 3 years of post handover payment plan.
3 years?
Yes, cherry on the cake. Our home finance experts will also be there in the event who will be guiding to the clients, those who want mortgage facilities.
Boss, all this in one event?
Yes. And you know, this is an golden opportunity for you to make your clients happy.
Definitely, boss.
So be a good boy and be available on this event.
Boss, me?
Yes, you.
Boss, weekend, boss.
Bro, weekends we have more clients. Just think about it. People will come with their family. They will look at the actual property. They will look at the actual apartments. They will buy from you, bro. It's a good time to make money.
Every time you do with this, boss.
Bro, I will also be there. Don't worry.
Boss.
See you.